Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Amazfit GTS 2 Mini Smartwatch. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this smartwatch. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Amazfit is on a bit of an upswing at the moment, with an ever-growing array of smartwatches and activity trackers coming with prices that could cause larger companies to worry. On the heels of Amazfit GTS 2 comes the GTS 2 Mini, which raises the question of does size really matter? If you're searching for a new smartwatch that's not an overbearing Victorian railroad station watch that is tacked on your wrist, this is the watch you've been looking for. Amazfit has developed an ultra-lightweight, slimline design that is not just stylish, but can also go well with your outfit regardless of whether you're wearing it for work or for the track. As opposed to the 42mm casing on GTS 2, the Mini's casing is smaller. GTS 2, the Mini reduces to the 40mm rectangular frame, which includes an 1.55-inch 354 pixels by 306 pixels AMOLED display. The upper portion of the 8.95mm thick body is type of gunmetal gray aluminum with a stylishly beveled edge that connects the display. Flipping it over, one can see the black plastic underneath, which houses the heart display. For this price, the material selection is acceptable and can help keep the weight to a light 19.5 grams. The display boasts a maximum brightness of 452 nits. I found this to be adequate in bright sunlight, serving an easy-to-read text accessible, even for my old eyes that are tired, and that can't be said about the less stunning Amazon Fit Band 5 I have recently reviewed. For a device this small for such a small size, it's impressive that the GTS 2 Mini offers quite an impressive array of monitoring. In addition to the heart rate monitor, you can also track sleep as well as stress, oxygen saturation, menstrual cycle, breathing, the number of steps, and more than 70 activities modes. Heart monitoring is set to be always on and measures your BPM every couple of minutes or so. It was fairly accurate in comparison with other monitoring devices I've tried. It also allows for an automatic measurement so that you know the speed or how slow your heart beats at any point in moment. Sleep is a regular feature that monitors your habits to provide you with an understanding of how much you have slept and how long you slept. Fitness or sports activities are characterized by special trackers that include everything from yoga to running. It's true that most trackers have the same metrics, however, there were some additional features that are specifically for runners, like the stride frequency and speed aided by an onboard global positioning system sensors. It is also possible to fine-tune the alarms to notify you when you fall below the speed of a specified amount or beyond the beats per minute rating. GTS 2 Mini can also connect to Google Fit, Strava, and Relive apps if you wish to integrate the data into one of the accounts you already use. Monitoring your stress levels, oxygen saturation, breathing, and menstrual cycle require manual operations, but oxygen saturation and stress can be set to enable continuous monitoring all period of the day, former or even while you're asleep, latter for as that you're satisfied to see your battery's life decreased. There are many watch faces that you are able to download on the Mini that, in many cases, are editable, meaning that you can choose which section shows your heart's BPM or steps, as well as other measurements. Making a new watch face is managed by the SEP application on your smartphone. However, you can choose between 4 downloaded faces using Mini itself. There are over 50 watch faces that are available, including around 30 having the feature of always on that will display the time, date, and step count without having to get the screen up. Luckily, the left and right menus wrap around, and should you continue, you'll eventually return to the beginning. If you'd like to swiftly go to a particular section, pressing the crown button on the physical side opens an option menu where you can choose the function of your choice. It is also possible to change the sequence of the swipe menu using Zep's application. Although all of this is easy, but it's a bit awkward to use. To select options, the tap needs to be firm, because I've had a few instances where a gentle first swipe didn't work. Additionally, there aren't any choices that are expected to be extremely useful. When you begin an exercise routine, for instance, there weren't any on-screen controls to end the tracker. Instead, you must hold and press the crown. This is logical when you understand it, but may be confusing when you first attempt to end an exercise session. The battery life is excellent, as it lasts an average of 7 to 10 days with continuous heart rate tracking along with advanced sleeping monitoring. It is possible to extend this by removing features, with Amazfit boasting that it will last for a maximum time of 21 days before charging. I believe that 7 days is enough for a watch, particularly from one with such a small size. Recharging it back to full power took about 2 hours with the included charger. So when you're caught in the process of not plugging it into the outlet the first time, you'll be back into action in minutes. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. Pros: design that is comfortable, versatile, and all-day wear. Good capability to track your fitness. Compliant to work with Alexa voice assistant. Good battery life. Cons: sleep tracking data is not enough to meet the standards. Not able to revert back to notifications. Uninspiring design. Amazfit is rapidly becoming a company that provides products that punch over their weight. And their GTS 2 Mini is another option to add to the list of. It has a clever, elegant design, a refined appearance, a long battery life, great activity tracking, and a handful of notifications and utilities which will be extremely useful. Yes, the app could be improved, and being able to reply directly to messages could really assist in taking this device to a notch. However, if you're looking for an affordable fitness tracker with the potential of a smartwatch that doesn't compromise all the fat-free GTS 2 experience, then at this cost, the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is difficult to resist. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.